Here we have Tony jogging in. He's got pushing the bird back. There's Boo Boo. It's a very young dog, 8 months old. The bird in front of him, look. Getting used to him, look.
Come on, good girl.
Went across the water. This is an ideal place for young dogs. For young dogs to get a bit of experience for the first time. Never been on game before, look, as in doing this job. So the dog's learning, look. The dog's getting his head down and hunting. And he come across a few birds and then go across the water. So the dog can't get to them. It just gives young dogs a good...
Come on. Woo-hoo. Come on. Come on.
There's Tony limping because he's been dancing. 2 days on the trot. Doing his Tina Turner impressions. Another young colt, look, dog going after it. And let the dog go, look. They haven't got the stop on this dog at the moment, but just getting encouraged to hunting, look. Getting keen on hunting. Bit of swimming as well, look. This dog's 8 months old. This is how Tony brings him on. Getting him used to everything, look.